So our recommendation is that you wash your hands before and after handling your filters. So we're going to talk about how to insert the filters into your Ministry Supply mask. Right here we have the filter pack. They're going to come pressed together. There's usually about 5 of these in each stamped kit. And so that's actually 5 layers right there. So you're just going to want to separate it. You can just kind of pull it apart like this, and you will be able to pull off one filter layer. And what you can see here are there are these fold lines. This will help guide you in how to fold your filter. So the way to do it is you fold it in half, and then you push in the corners like this. And again, on the bottom. And what you can see here is there is a small dart right here and a larger one at the bottom. This smaller one is the top, and this is the bottom right here. And you can see that it matches the profile of the mask. To insert it, we're going to lay our mask down, and we are going to insert it like this. So I'm inserting it folded in half. And you want to make sure you get all the way to the top of the mask. So now it is fully inserted and it's halfway through. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it and spread it onto the other side. You may have to just tuck in the edges over here, but it will conform to the shape of the mask. And that is how you insert your filter. So here we have the filter inserted, and we suggest that you swap your filters out every 8 hours of use.